Welcome back, YouTube. It's your boy Joseph here. As you can see, we got a beautiful view behind us. Today we're gonna be working on some pavers and also a standard driveway cleaning. We got a pressure washing. We're gonna be pressure washing these pavers, also fixing a little bit of them, sanding and sealing them. All right. So just take a look at these pavers here. Gonna get that nice and cleaned up for this client, and we're gonna take a walk around to the front of the house. We have the entranceway here, and some sidewalk here, and then the driveway. Okay, and the driveway. So stay tuned, like, subscribe. There's gonna be plenty of knowledge. We're gonna be downstreaming. We're gonna be pumping SH. We're gonna be dwelling. It's gonna be a beautiful transformation. All right, like, subscribe, stay tuned. Alright guys, we just sat down that SH here through our pump sprayer. Got about a 4% mix on here, and we're gonna let that dwell for about 15 to 20 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Get a good wash, start the driveway, sidewalks, head to the back. Alright, so like I said, using about a 4% mix here. Lay that down, let it dwell, and come back over it with the surface cleaner. I use my turbo nozzle to trim the edges. Make sure you pre-soak that grass, all the plants, vegetation, anything around it. You don't want to kill anything. I pre-soak the driveway here as well, pre-soak the grass, door, the garage, the house, everything. You don't want to stain nothing. You don't want to kill anything. Let that dwell for a little bit and go over it with the surface cleaner. Okay, so I want to talk about how I got this job. This guy actually just bought this house, and I have a good friend of mine who is a realtor, and they told me, they need some work done on this house. So I went out and checked them out, sold them up on driveway cleaning and some pavers. So if you look here, I had 2 surface cleans with me, and they both went down on me. It's crazy. I can't believe it. Tried changing the tips, cleaning them out, WD-40, everything, and it just would not spin. So that's why you didn't see the rest of the driveway cleaning. You'll see more in a little bit, but I basically had to wash the rest of the flat surfaces with the wand. And for those who know the pressure washing game, that's not fun. So I had to do what I had to do though, guys. I could have went out and bought another one, but I did not know if there's something I can fix. So I just saved the time and the effort. I mean, it did take me a little bit more to do it by hand like this with the wand, but hey, I don't mind it, man. I don't mind it. So can't be doing this in the future. Gotta get some better equipment for sure. But yeah, as you can see right here, man, I was super sore. You guys don't even understand. Smiley face just because I'm still in good spirits. Guys, so just finished the driveway. About to start the pavers going all the way around the house. I got 50-50, 5% SH here. And we're gonna push up by the SH, let it well, you know the process. And let's do it. Alright guys, so basically pre-soaking, set down that 50-50 SH mix. And you can see on the right both of those surface cleaners, man. So upsetting. But I had to do this by hand, as you know. And I'm basically prepping these to get sanded and sealed in the next couple weeks or so, and I'm going to be doing that, so stay tuned for that video. But would have took me a lot faster with those surface cleaners, but we got to do what we got to do. And unfortunately, since I didn't have the time, couldn't record that much of the content, but I got some content for you guys. So hope you enjoy the video. I'm going to put some before and after pictures at the end. Like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Washpreneurs out.